Tonight, a warning about hiring a lawyer has a local woman doing a double take. A News 4 investigation last month, we told you about a lawyer who kept working with a client after he was disbarred. At the time, he told us he wasn't working with anyone else. Now, News 4 investigator Susan El-Khoury is finding more clients are coming forward and demanding change.
How dare you say you're an attorney and lead me on this whole time?
Surrounded by files, Dawn Tucker has a lot to take in.
It's all a lie.
3 years ago, she hired John Tressler to represent her in a personal injury case. She didn't realize he later wasn't who he claimed to be.
I have no idea what's going on with my case. Sorry.
The Missouri Supreme Court disbarred Tressler in October 2020 after finding he pocketed tens of thousands of dollars that belonged to clients and falsely represented himself as someone's attorney. That's all news to Tucker. She found out watching here.
You're breaking the law. If you're playing lawyer and you're disbarred.
They brought it up and showed me the interview that you did, and that's how I found out.
Last month, a woman told News 4 Investigates that Tressler kept working with her
And nobody telling me.
months after being disbarred.
I was just like, he's a liar. That's all I kept saying was, he's a liar. He never said nothing to me.
So we dialed Tressler.
If you want to ask me any questions, just send them to me in writing, okay?
Something for 6506.
We tried to ask him about these emails he sent to Tucker after he lost his license.
2021.
Messages that include expenses from this year he was going to bill for.
He's not an attorney. Why is he still using these checks?
An email from August shows Tressler discouraged Tucker from filing a lawsuit, calling it a mistake. Later writing if they settled, he would lower his attorney fees. Then there's multiple letters like this one from May, clearly misleading, which we brought up.
At the top of the letterhead saying that you're licensed in Missouri and Illinois.
Okay. Like I said, any questions you have, just send them to me in writing. I want a written letter.
Easy enough for us. We wrote that letter, then hand-delivered it to the law office in downtown St. Louis, where Tressler's name is still on the door.
I'm Susan El-Khoury with News 4. I didn't know if Mr. Tressler was in.
No, he hasn't been in for a couple of weeks.
Okay, he had asked that I drop off this, just asking questions about his disbarment here in Missouri.
Oh, okay.
Earlier this month, Tucker got her case file back. That's more than a year late. The Missouri Supreme Court requires lawyers to notify clients and turn over files within 15 days of disbarment.
Did he ever send you a letter
No.
saying he was disbarred?
No. No email, no letter, no text, nothing.
So the first you ever heard of it?
Was your interview with the other lady.
Knowing this happened before, Tucker says the court that hands out this discipline needs to work on follow-through.
That's not right. I mean, the state's got to do something to prevent this from happening to people.
What's next for you?
I'm going to get another attorney, a real attorney.
Tressler is still licensed in Illinois. As for the questions he asked us to drop off, he ultimately never answered. In Missouri, false impersonation is a misdemeanor. We asked the state Supreme Court what, if any, follow-through it does when a lawyer is disbarred, but didn't get a response. Susan El-Khoury, News 4 Investigates.
In both Missouri and Illinois, there is a way you can search online to see if a lawyer has been disbarred or faced any other discipline. We've put links to both of those inside Susan's story on your KMOV News app.